Hey, hey, hey!
What?
Aren't you supposed to be working?
Oh, I wish I was on that beach right now. As you can see, I used wish to express a wish. Am I on the beach right now? Certainly not, but I wish I was. We use wish and if only to talk about things or situations we would like to be different, that we would like to change. If only is a bit stronger than wish.
I wish I was tall. Katie is not tall, but she wishes she was. Oh, I'm going to fail this exam. If only I'd studied harder. Matt did not study very hard, but he wishes he had.
We can use wish and if only to express wishes, to talk about present situations we would like to change. In this case, we use wish and if only with the past simple.
The children are so loud. I wish the children were quiet. What are they talking about? If only I knew French. My TV is broken. I wish my TV wasn't broken.
We can use wish and if only to express regret, to talk about past situations we'd like to change. In this case, we use wish and if only with the past perfect.
I didn't believe in myself when I was younger. I wish I had believed in myself. Anna has worked very hard most of her life. Anna wishes she hadn't worked so hard. Anna wishes she had spent more time with her family. Ooh, I spent way too much yesterday. If only I hadn't spent so much money yesterday.
We can also use wish and if only to express annoyance, to complain. And in this case, we use wish and if only with would.
My sister, she always steals my makeup. I wish my sister wouldn't steal my makeup. Bobby's doing badly at school. If only Bobby would study more. They're late again. If only they would arrive on time.
Let's move on to the exercise. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel to be up to date with my English lessons. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!